Today the introduction class will be repeat for that error. First of all, we must know what is computer and why we will interested to read about computer. Computer is an electronics device which receives some instructions from the user and gives us desired outputs as quick as possible. Electronic device. Computer is an electronic device which receive, which receives some instructions as binary and gives us as quick as possible the answers. As quick as possible. The output. Computer is an electronic device which receives some instructions from the user and gives us our desired outputs. Maybe that may be video or maybe any data. Why we are interested to read about computer? What is the merits and demerits of the computer? First of all, we know computer merits. Number one, now it produces outputs while quickly. Output quickly. Number two, it gives us outputs very quickly and correctly, which is called as accuracy. Number three, no hesitation. These are the, that means no hesitation means it does not, it refuses. It does not refuses anything. These are the, it gives us quickly search when we search anything in our computer store memories. It gives us quickly outputs and it is accuracy output and agitation, it does not refuses to work. It is, I am now, I cannot do like this. These are the merits. And what are the demerits? Only one demerit is in case of computer. What is the demerit is? One demerit is means it has no intelligence quality. No intelligence quality. No intelligence quality. Computer receives only the operator's instructions and gives the desired outputs. No intelligence quality has that devices. What is the full form of computer? First of all, you must know computer. Common operating machine purposely used for technological and educational research. Research. Common operating machine purposely used for technical and educational research. This is the full form of computer as before. Now we will technically, it is divided to like this: COM, port, or COM means come to the computer, come to the machine, put some data, or means get the desired outputs. This is the complete operation. Come to the computer, put some data to the computer and process other, it or means process, get some desired outputs. This is the computer all about. Come, put and or. Who has invented computer? Charles Babbage. Charles Babbage invented computer. So he is called as father of computer. Really digital computer introduced in the year of 1945. That means full digitally it works like nowadays as it is working. A computer consists of two parts. Number one is hardware, number two is software. When a computer build up it's some connection of some hardware and there is a programmable software which active our computer. We will study about hardware of computer and later on we will go for the errors and the solutions. Previously, computer have many spare parts, but nowadays it is completely modified. Like example, like for somewhat there was so previously used to sound card, VGA card, so many cards, but now these cards are removed and all are inbuilt with the motherboard. Let's see what are the devices we used for computer. First of all, processor. Number two, motherboard. Number three, RAM. Number four, hard disk. Number five, SMPS or which is called as power supply. Number 6. Keyboard. Number 7. Mouse. Number 8. Monitor. These devices are required for build of a computer. Then so many extra spare parts also we can use later on. Processor, which is the main part of the computer, which is the main device or called as brain of the computer. It receives all the data and sends different department in the motherboard, like audio department, like video department, or maybe that may be printer. It process all the data. It is the processor, you may say as microprocessor. Later on we will see with hardware components. Motherboard, or called as mainboard. All the components are alternatively connected to this device. That means motherboard contains all the spare parts. Processor also connected to this device. RAM is connected to this device. UMS speaker is connected to this device. Keyboard, mouse. So many things, many spare devices are connected to motherboard or mainboard. That is called, so that it is called as mainboard or motherboard. Number RAM. It is a part of memory. Random access memory, RAM. It access all these binary input output data as a temporarily and process it through processor and send to different department like audio, maybe video, maybe printer. Then for testing purpose, number 4, hard disk or main storage. Main storage. All this data when we save, store to hard disk drive. This is the secondary devices where we can store data. We can store all of our data. permanently for a long time. Number 5, SMPS. Switchboard power supply. It provides its power to our motherboard and running of the computer. This is called as SMPS. Then we have keyboard. It is an input device through which we can input data to our computer. This is an input device. Number 7 also mouse. Input device. Number 8, which is called as monitor, through which shows the output. Monitor which shows the output. What we want, that is shown in our monitor. This is all about the instructions for hardware devices. This is the basic knowledge for hardware devices. Then we will go through details in next class. Thank you guys, as you are watching my YouTube channel.